This video will demonstrate how to set up the K-Rain Blue Bluetooth battery-powered controller. Finding the app. Type in K-Rain Blue. Look for the K-Rain Blue app. Download the app. First-time users will need to register. In this video, the user is already registered. Once in Dashboard, touching the person icon takes you to the account screen. Here, you can enter information like email, organization name, and other basic information. Go back a screen and you can add a sub-account. A sub-account, also known as Crew View, allows you to share access to the account with employees or a homeowner. Go back a screen to the master account. If at any time you want to log out, click on the top right arrow icon. Jump to Dashboard to add a controller. Click Add Controller. Every unit that is in Bluetooth range will appear. Touch a controller icon and you will be connected to that controller. To edit a controller, click the gear icon to go to Settings. This is the name that appears on the back of the controller. Here, you can rename the controller and add a description if you like. In our example, you see that this controller has 4 stations. Stations can be renamed. Be sure to save or reset once you're finished. Take advantage of the geolocate feature by dropping a location pin. This allows you to geolocate the controller at a later time for controlling or programming. Let's go back a screen and review the controller screen display. We see that the rain switch is currently inactive. The battery is fully charged. It is currently on Auto On. Here you can set it to permanently off or delay it up to 15 days. Which means, after 15 days, the system will automatically turn back on and run whatever program was previously set up. Touching the Edit Programs button takes you to the Program Management screen. We can edit the programs. The default is 3 programs, A, B, and C. Touching the plus sign adds a program. To delete, touch the minus sign. Let's say that we wanted to change the Program C schedule from odd days to specific days of the week. Touch Schedule, Custom Days, select the watering days desired, save. Water budget can be set from 10% to 200%. If the program was set to run for 15 minutes, 100% means it would run for the full 15 minutes. You can add many start times. Duration is the runtime per station. Choose all the stations or any of the stations 1 through 4. Be sure to save your changes. When a controller is running, the screen will show the system as active. A sprinkler icon will be shown as watering and the end time will be shown. For more information, scan the QR code to view the K-Rain Blue manual.